Now, on to installing Java. First, we're going to add a new tab to brew. A tab is just like a repo. Enter the following command in a terminal. Note that Burp requires Java 8, and the web app we're going to use in our hands-on exercises requires Java 11. Don't worry, as Burp works fine with 11. The target web app can be installed in several ways. We can run the jar directly, or we can do it via Docker. Docker might save the hassle of worrying about what Java version to use for the application. In this course, we're going to run the jar directly. After adding the tab, we can install OpenJDK with the following command. To verify what version of Java we have installed, we can use the following command.